right.
Okay, so this is obviously a combustion chamber. So it's ventilated. This is where the oil comes in. It's just old waste oil that we have lying around. That's the reservoir tank, and the reason it's insulated is I have a heater around there so I can warm the oil so it's always a consistent temperature so it feeds in evenly, because that's the biggest trick with this thing. It's built with a heat exchanger so that I'm not burning, obviously it's not inside the shed. This tube, this large tube here surrounds this inner tube, and basically all I'm doing is I'm heating the tube, and then I'm blowing air with this fan around the inner tube, which is encapsulated by this outer cylinder, and the hot air is being exhausted through this insulated pipe, and I'm also drawing cold air in through that non-insulated pipe, so it's just circulating air through it. And then inside the shed, or the shack, I've got the hot air discharge here and the cold air intake here, and I just put a little standoff on there to so that it wouldn't directly feed the hot air back in. And then inside the shed we run the fan, because all the hot air rises to the top and the fan forces it down, and it gets it pretty darn warm in here.
It does. Sometimes it feels like 30 degrees.
Sometimes it is 30 degrees.
It's like, oh my God.
But the nice thing about this is that it's not inside, it's not a fire hazard. The combustion gases are isolated from the hot air, so it's a true furnace kind of. So we're not exposing ourselves to the carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, so it's safe, and that was a big thing.
Yes, and I like that. That's my favorite part. Yep, so it's pretty cool. Keeps everybody warm. It looks pretty snazzy at night with that hungry, angry fire belching out the top. All right, there you go. That's the Geoff Strang explanation.
We have hundreds and hundreds of gallons of waste oil around here, so this is just a good way to get rid of it and to make, take advantage of it.
That's right.
So.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sign out.
See ya.